Yes. What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy, the international boy DJ Roberto. Today I got a good video for you guys. They're having a party tonight, and we're actually one of the number one sounds in Chicago is playing the music. I'm talking about the one and only Rocktone International. I've been knowing this sound system for a very long time. Go way back. So, hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please share, subscribe, please, so I can come up with more videos, to help me out. I'm bringing this thing for you guys so you guys can see what's going on in my town in Chicago. I'm grilling and I'm working hard to come up with more videos, so I got to go and travel to where they're at just for you guys to see what they look like. Okay, once again, if you like it, please share it, subscribe, so we can keep coming up with more videos. All right. On the snap of a finger, the video gonna continue. The real senator, General. Rocktone sound in the home. Tune this. Sound check for Rocktone sounds in Chicago. One of the most notable and powerful sounds in Chicago. Rocktone sound, direct from Chicago. Ahí es una. Nice now. The owner, Rocktone South. They're setting up the lights now. It's a big place here. I'm about to throw a party here. Not enough tables and chairs, but I see they got some tables and chairs back there against the wall. So bad. It looks small, but it's big. Big sound. This speakers don't reach to me to the side, to my hips. This is me, the international bad boy DJ Roberto.
Yo, now, watch it now. Look at us balance the bass a little bit, and we have play one proper song, and we just give it more room in, take off somebody's eyes, and give more body. See? Yeah. No, man, good, man, good. If I tell you, I'm sorry, that was the one. Sorry, that was the one. Yeah. Right, listen to them. You see? So please, I just give it more room in the music. See? You don't good song now. Hold on. Yeah. You look more room in, take off some of your eyes. You know what I'm saying?
They get nothing in return. Some people never seem to show the gratitude, you know. But whatever, you don't know what I say for you. Keep talking junk and something you must let you.
Yeah. Ah, DJ Boat, so yeah.